Okay guys, this is my apology video. I owe a lot of you an apology. I'm also going to give you some support and resistance levels to pay attention to. So let's go to this video. This was on November 13th. I'll put a link up to the video now if you want to check it out. Listen to what I said. Watching to see if we get above 63,920 and stay above this key support, well, it's currently resistance 63,659. If we can get above that, the next point to watch to get rejected is going to be up here around 66,134. So in this video I said, look, this is a point to short, 66,134. You can see how this played out. We came up to the yellow line, 66,300. We got rejected. This is where you should have short. Notice when price broke 64,000, we started dropping. Notice where we found support down here at this yellow line. I made a tweet, guys. If you have access to my charts, you get access to our Discord and Twitter 11 hours ago. I said, look, pay attention to the H1 chart, this next support level, and the G1 chart. I was pointing to this yellow line. We'll cover this in just a second. So guys, you can see what happened. This is a point you should have shorted. This is a point you should have longed. We'll go back to, so this is the G1 chart. This was a video, I did a video on the 20th of October saying, look, 67,183 was a great point to short. That was this video. I'll put a link up to now if you want to check it out. Right here, 67,558. That is where we got rejected at this yellow line. And if you'll notice, right down, and we play a clip of this for you. This is the G1 chart, 2000. Right, 62,400. So again, 3 charts in confluence. Again, guys, very likely would hold. If things get kind of bad, your next strongest support to watch, you can see right here, we found support. Let me find my arrow tool. We found support here once, twice. So if we come down, again, this would be the next point to catch a bounce around. And this video was put up November 13th. We'll link up this video now if you want to check it out. And you can see how this played out. We came down, and this was 14 hours ago. So this is the next support level, 61,191. Again, this is swing trading. It's up to you how long you stay in. But if you bought here, you could have wrote it up, made some profit. And then I said, look, guys, if this breaks, this was another tweet I made. This was 11 hours ago. This was talking about G1 chart. If we came down, this was your next support. And you can see how this played out. Previous resistance, right here, 67,183, flipped as support. So you would have bought in at 58,576. And you could wrote it up all the way to 61,126, which is now your current resistance. So let me give you support and resistance levels real quick. So on this chart, if you push up, your next resistance to watch is right here at 62,000. You push above that when you make contact with this point. This will be a resistance, 63,900. If we drop, your next support level will be, well, this yellow line, 59,551. You break below that, 58,289. If you drop below that, obviously this line will be support again, just like previous resistance. Will flip as support, so 54,626. Let's go on to this chart. So look, if we drop, I know that your next support level is going to be this orange line right here. Let me zoom out and show you why. You can see that this has been a lot of support and resistance going way back. It was resistance, support, support, more support and resistance. And right here, you can see it was resistance, 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 support, resistance, support. And you can see, so if we come down, that will be a likely point to catch a bounce. If we break 58,576, 53,716 is the next point to catch support. Let's move on. So I just want to show you guys, look, these charts, the way they're set up, your support and resistance levels are mapped out in months, if not years in advance. This is the G1 chart. It was published August 31st. Take note of this line right here. You can see we hit it as resistance, came down as support. Again, resistance, support. And just to show you how far back it goes, this chart was published on December 14, 2020. Take note where price action is. Take note this line right here. And you can see, if I zoom in, that's how far in advance you knew when to short and when to long. By the way, guys, I've updated the C1 chart and all of the altcoin charts on the website if you do have access to the charts. So look, you can see we found perfect support on this white line. The white lines are your major support and resistance levels. So if we push up, your next major resistance is around 61,500. You push above that, your next resistance to watch is 64,700. If we drop, your next support level to watch is down here at 56,287. Guys, as I've been telling you, the dollar's been pushing up. The dollar's up. That means Bitcoin is coming down. So now for the apology. By the way, guys, I will be making my next video. It's going to be pretty bearish. So if you're a moon boy, you definitely do not want to watch it. So guys, I want to apologize for you that did not listen, that did not sign up to my charts or traded against what I said. I'm sorry you got wrecked. And remember, guys, you want to access these charts, websites, opticrypto.com. Link will be pinned in the first comment and description. That's it, guys. Oh, I just dropped the mic. Peace.